Hey there, today we're going to look at how we name compounds. So a reminder from last day, a compound is when we have more than one atom type joining together with other atoms to form a molecule. And in this case, we're going to be dealing with ionic compounds. And an ionic compound is a compound where a metal atom joins a non-metal atom. So an example here is NaCl, sodium chloride. And in this case, sodium is a metal. It's a soft, shiny, silvery metal. And we have chlorine, which is not a metal at all. It's a gas or a liquid depending on the temperature of it. So in this case, we have an ionic compound, metal and non-metal. So in order to name these is really simple. You always state the metal first, so sodium, and then you take the non-metal and you change its ending to IDE. So instead of chlorine, you say chloride. So this here is just sodium chloride. Another example here is AlCl3. Al is the metal, that's aluminum. Cl is the chlorine. This atom has one aluminum. There would be there's a one there. We don't have to put it if there's only one of them. And it has three chlorines. So this molecule has four atoms altogether, one aluminum, three chlorines, and its name is aluminum chloride. So the metal first, aluminum, and chlorine changes to chloride. That's as hard as it gets for naming ionic compounds. And so your job today is to complete this worksheet. And we have some chemical formulas here, and your job is to write out the name of them for me. Metal first, non-metal second, changing the ending of the non-metal to IDE. A couple of them are tricky. Chlorine becomes chloride. That's pretty easy. Bromine becomes bromide. That's pretty easy. A couple of the trickier ones. Oxygen becomes oxide. And nitrogen becomes nitride. I don't think you should have any difficulty with the other ones, but give them a try, and I'll follow this up with some answers for you.